My nigga say he about to cook us some whole real alligator meat. I'm telling you, I ain't never had alligator. About to see what's up with it.
It just been clean, tenderized, broke it down. You know, got a little razzle dazzle on. Ooh. I'm finna hit it with a little blackened seasoning.
Like that?
Yeah, you see it?
Alligator.
I never told no lies, dog.
Whole dinosaur.
That don't even
That's dinosaur meat.
I never told no lies. Two negatives make a positive. I never lied.
Especially in 2021, you right.
Yes, sir.
We making rules. We making rules.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
What's the little sauce we using right here? Because they ain't even got a name on that bit.
That's on purpose.
Hey, okay.
That's on purpose.
So he dabbling.
That's on purpose, dog.
He dabbling. We gonna do it like that.
My people made this.
What's hey, if you catch a salt, let me see that seasoning one more time. You catch a seasoning and it's in this bag, you better believe pressure.
Hey,
you better believe.
It ain't no name on it for a reason. Laid around, it's an even distribution right here.
I like that.
Even distribution.
I'm already smelling that, yeah.
I never told a lie, Bo.
So wait, so you about to bake it or like fillet it?
You see this right here? So if you look at it, the cast iron skillet hot. I put my hands on it, I cook a lot. It's really hot. You see I got it on 6 right now. It's hot. I'm gonna show you in a second. I'm gonna take the glove off. I'm gonna lay around. I'm gonna put that the butter in there.
Okay.
See it live. I'm gonna come back.
Okay.
With that Kerrygold, that Irish butter.
Let me see one more time.
Kerrygold.
Okay.
Right there, yo.
Let me go see.
Stand by. We gonna let it melt.
Okay.
When that Kerrygold melt, we double it back with the alligator meat.
Man, that's crazy.
Skillet hot, boy.
Hey, that's a nice slab of butter too. Like, that's a nice slab. Hey, look at the perfection. Y'all ain't seeing. Hey, and I like how you got a real skillet, but this little thing right here, so you can grab it and it ain't gonna burn you. Hey, you don't need no towel. You don't need no towel or nothing. I'm telling you, I like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we about to do next?
We gonna let it. Hey, it's hot. My right hand really burning.
Yeah, why you doing that? But you need a
minute. Y'all recording.
Okay.
You know, my hand on fire right now. But
yeah, he playing it cool though.
Hey, but look, we gonna double bite.
Look, let me see.
Alligator meat seasoned, broke down.
Really, hold on.
From here into the skillet. The blackened alligator, bitch. Yes, sir.
I smell the butter too.
No game play.
If you smell the butter, that means you use a nice, good amount.
Yes,
that means you use the right amount. This is alligator, man. I ain't never seen it really chopped up like that. Hey man, it's smelling good too already.
We got the little alligator up in there.
Now we cooking alligator.
It's black one, baby.
I've never seen it cut up like this.
Yes,
I done had alligator on a stick fried at the fairs, you know what I'm saying? And this is totally different.
Hey, completely different, baby.
And it smells different already.
I'm gonna tell you the main thing is the preparation. You gotta make sure you cut the sinew off of it, all of
Hold up, say that again.
The sinew. That's what give it the wild taste. You gotta cut all that off of there.
Sinew.
The sinew. S-I-N-E-W.
Watch how I put it on the screen.
Cut that off there, lay around, turn back, fillet it, and then I take a little meat tenderizer, pound it out, hit it, you know, with a little razzle dazzle, marinate it, and this is where we at. Yes, sir.
And watch how we come back in a little bit.
Yes, sir. Watch the shake back. Yeah.
Slow-mo can fuck them up with it. They don't know what's hot. Ooh, and I put that smoke in there. So, all right, we cooking now. We just put it on there.
Yes, sir.
How long is it before you basically done? Or what's next?
We're gonna do about 1.5 to 2 minutes on one side. It depends on how your skillet is heated. I'm cooking on electrical. On a flame.
Yeah.
It'll cook faster. It'll be more efficient. But because we're cooking on electrical, you gotta look at the conduction and the heat in the cast iron skillet. That being said, ideally you're looking at about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side.
That's it?
But being that we're cooking on electrical, it's gonna take a little longer.
But that's kind of quick than what I thought you were about to say. I ain't gonna lie.
It is. It's much quicker because we cooking on gas. It'll get hotter much faster. So I'm gonna show you real quick. You see the amount of moisture in here? That's water cooking off the meat. So when I pick this up, You see how it's not brown?
At all.
It's not blackened?
At all.
So on a hotter skillet, it will cook the water off faster, which will give you the blackened look. You will get that look much quicker. We're cooking on electric, so it's gonna take a little longer. Once this water cook off,
it's crazy.
We'll get the blackened look that we're looking for. So it's gonna take a little longer. And I got the stove on 7. So it's really 3/4.
You upped it up a little, yeah, yeah.
You know, we cooking pretty high.
But that's quicker than I thought you was about to say. I ain't gonna lie, I thought you were like, yeah, we can come back about 15 and let it know.
And you cook alligator for 15 minutes, you're chewing on the inner tube.
Oh, shit.
That's the absolute truth. You gonna chew on the inner tube. That being said, we're gonna let this thing cook down. Come back and holler at me in a minute.
Yeah, my dog just blessed me with the blackening season. Out the pack. Y'all see how it's coming. It's about to go. Ooh.
Look, we gonna let it do what it do. We still got a lot of
So you got to play with it a little bit, is what you're saying. You can't just let it chill.
No.
Okay, you got to play with it
at some point. You got to.
You got to play with it.
Absolutely. When this water cook off, that's when we start building flavor.
Because you're not even stirring it, you're really just playing with it. Because you're really flipping, dipping, and it's like really creating. You ain't got no rice?
No, we ain't doing no rice. We won't need it.
That sauce right there, though. You put that on the rice? Hey, you put that on the rice, that might do something.
All that's gonna cook out, Bo.
It's gonna cook out?
It's gonna cook out. Just come back to me in a few minutes, and they gonna see what it's hitting on.
All right. My dog say I could try a little piece right quick. Oh yeah, this got that nice chew to it. I like that chew. Hey, that chew gonna win.
It ain't too much, huh?
No, that's what I'm saying. My dog say something I've been using to put in Kool-Aid. Y'all know them lemon drops, man. This man put that right there into that and say it's gonna make it do that.
Yeah.
Man, come on, man. Man, I mixed the lemon drip. Alligator. Crocodile, you heard me? It's all the same. Alright, we on it. We ready.
You ready for it, Bo?
Good alligator meat.
The alligator right here.
Sauteed on y'all.
The black and the alligator. You better handle all this?
Oh yeah, that's good right there for me. That nigga Kev might want. Kev with the dreads might want something.
You always come back. Look, get you some of that remoulade sauce.
What that is? Alright, we about to use that remoulade. Yeah, y'all don't know nothing about that Louisiana remoulade. If you don't, you better know. This is my plate right here, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to dabble. It's looking real good too. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Got the little dipping sauce.
Yeah, to be real, Bo.
First off, the remoulade, thank you for that. That little dip, hey.
Yeah.
I'm about to murk this whole plate. That's A. It's delicious. The chew is nice. It's better than chicken. I put down everything. Hey, this is a better chew than chicken.
That's real, Bo.
Hey, nah, for real.
I appreciate it.
It's like almost like steak, but like a little bit more tender, with a little bit more chew.
It's in between, like yeah. And that's the thing, that's the beauty in it, because it gives you like the taste of like a fish kind of taste, but and the texture of a steak.
Not like on the water of the fish. It's like the fish that chew, just that chew, just that chew.
And it's kind of like a guard, but a little more bite on it.
Really? See, I never had guard either. Well, I have had guard, but in a different form. I had guard balls.
Guard balls are grind. You grind them, so they're a little more tender.
That's crazy. Hey, this thing delicious. Hold on, I gotta get a little.
And you'll notice the difference in texture from white meat to dark meat. You know the difference?
Hey, It's the chew, bro. It's that mug. It's that chew. I'd die for this.
Let me see.
I'm putting on camera. I'd die for this. So, y'all see what's going on. My name Jared. You got a cook name? Like, you got a swag cook name?
I ain't had one yet. I'm just Jared.
Hey, leave it in the comments. What's his cook name? You know what I'm saying? We might have to come up with one, cause, man, all right.